the correct execution of each stage of insulating a building. Determines the quality and durability of the final result. To prepare the adhesive used to fix the styrofoam. Combine clean, cool water in the amount specified on the package with the contents of the bag. After applying the mortar, the board should be immediately applied to the wall and pressed thoroughly. It is a good idea to check their evenness on an ongoing basis using a level. At least 24 hours after gluing the panels, you can proceed to the mechanical fixing. In the case of polystyrene boards, 4 to 5 dowels, M2 are used, and 6 to 8 at the corners. Cover the boards with mortar at the edges. For even substrates and ceilings, the mortar should cover the entire surface of the panels. LAVADO Float is a tiled wash basin top available in 4 variants. With invisible wall suspensions for a suspended design. Three models have an integrated basin, oval, rectangular or cylindrical. The fourth model is flat, without a basin. It is suitable for the usual built-in and freestanding basin variants. It features a stable suspension with 2 stainless steel brackets. It's a design friendly for people with reduced mobility. As the wash basin is easily accessible with a wheelchair. All pieces can be cut to adjust perfectly to the basin structure. Tiles are non-porous materials that are easy to keep clean. That's why they are used in bathrooms and kitchen. Tile as we know it dates from 4700 BC in Egypt, while glass tiles were popular in 2500 BC. Installing pavers can be done into different methods. The flexible installation is completed by laying pavers on a compacted base and bedding sand. This is very common among backyard paving projects. You can still use this method for driveway paving by using small format pavers. Or any paver that has a thickness of at least 50 millimeters. Laying pavers on a concrete base is commonly known as rigid installation. This type of method is best suited when the condition of your soil is poor or made of a poorly drained clay. You can lay your pavers on a driveway with this method. By using large format pavers or any paver that has a depth of less than 50 millimeters. Paver set is required to fill the gaps between pavers, blocks and bricks. This is done to secure their positioning and eliminate movement or shifting. Sealing your pavers will make them last longer, and it will reduce maintenance. Pebble dashing is a type of wall covering typically used on exterior walls. It consists of 2 coats of a lime and sand base into which pebbles are thrown and pressed. The result is a wall covered in tiny, smooth pebbles. Pebble dashing is considered an art by some masons who may mix their special blend of base coat. It's an inexpensive way to refresh and weatherproof a home's exterior. The Cobra channel is a hinged plasterboard profile. With great flexibility that allows the creation of curves. Of different radii while maintaining the given shape in an optimal way. Concave and convex are unique profiles for curved plasterboard ceilings. Concave profile is designed for the construction of concave elements. Such as barrel vaults, arches, cross vaults, domes, pavilion vaults, etc. The convex profile is ideal for creating convex elements with the curve. Towards the outside and for creating waves or covering ventilation ducts. Beams, corners and columns to improve acoustic comfort and achieve an aesthetic result. Concave and convex profiles can be used with Cobra 30, flexible profiles, which serve as a perimeter. Precast concrete walls have been steadily growing in popularity for many years. But recent developments in concrete forming techniques have increased their efficiency and aesthetics. Precast industrial and commercial concrete fencing is installed. By either setting the support columns into or on top of caisson footings, and then installing the concrete panels into column voids. By stacking them one upon another. Precast concrete or steel columns are embedded into the caisson footings, extending up to the wall height, and then the panels are stacked into the column grooves to the wall height.